do have
a big bowl of entrance. So it's been actually good fun. It's been good fun. Good fun to put our favourite camping pack together of what we love and need to do when we go camping. There's some absolute goodies in there. I don't know what I would rather win.
All of it?
Yeah, it all is super handy. So looking forward to jumping on and doing the giveaway. So I'm just going to jump on the computer and make sure we can see us okay. So 2 seconds.
We've obviously had a little bit of trouble because we're like, oh yeah, we'll just do a YouTube live, no worries. But we didn't realize that we had to kind of like set it up to do a YouTube live. So only half an hour ago, we're like, well, we're not doing a YouTube live.
Yeah, apparently
Facebook live
we've got to give YouTube 24-hour notice for the first time. But anyway, we know now. So there's a few people jumping on, guys. If you can hear us okay, put in the comments. Yeah, put in the comments you can hear us, you can see us. We want to make sure this is definitely live and you can hear us and see us fine, so that we do this once and we can announce the winners finally. So
Kimberly, Patina, what are you guys hoping to win? If you're on our live, please put in the comments what you're hoping to win, whether it's the GoPro and the jumper. So that's first prize, and then second prize was the Yeti gear, the camp oven, and the lures. And third prize is the camping hammock and the picnic rug. So put in the comments what you guys want to win, if it's one of the prizes or everything.
It'll be all there. Another GoPro would be super handy for us.
The GoPro, yeah.
More merch would be always amazing. The camp oven would be good. You're going to have 2 going at the same time.
We love our food.
The Yeti gear would be handy. What else we got? Fishing lures. You can never go past fishing lures. Always losing them. So some nice new big ones would be nice.
Beautiful.
The hammock. I'm always super jealous because Danica is always the one in the hammock. So two hammocks would be
nice. Yeah.
And picnic rugs. So.
Cheers, Graham. You can all hear us. Kimberly, the GoPro and the hoodie would be wicked. GoPro for sure. I think the GoPro is probably the most popular. We have one GoPro, but I think a second would be pretty handy because
even just actually having one GoPro, like we don't just use it for YouTube, but we use it to take photos and everything as well. Like it's super high quality, so
yeah.
We do love having the GoPro. And just waterproof, like literally straight out of the thing, just straight underwater. So
yeah,
super handy.
So we do have all of our names here for everyone's just jumping on. So there's probably, I don't know, about 400 entries roughly.
Because it was subscribe to the YouTube and then comment on a video, like a video, share the post, all that sort of stuff. And it was multiple entrants were allowed if you commented on multiple videos, and a few people did take advantage of that. So some people are very lucky, they got the name in there a couple of times, but commenting on multiple videos.
Times. There's like 20 entries from some people, which is great. So it is, first in obviously best dress. If you're the person that's put in 20 entries and you win all 3 prizes, well, that's just the luck of the draw.
Kurt wants first and second prize, mate. If you had this hammock and sat in the hammock, I bet you'd be like, wow, that's nice. We take this hammock everywhere with us. It packs up to like a tiny little ball, and you just grab something out of the cart and you just tie it onto a tree or tie it onto the bull bar. It's super handy, that hammock. So I'd recommend getting one because you mustn't have got one if you don't want one. So the draw, we're going to be doing backwards today, guys. We're going to start with third prize, and then we're going to do second prize, and then we'll draw first prize last to see who wins it. So,
and for whoever does win it, we will be, well, let you send us a direct message. So yesterday we had a fake page imitate us and actually comment on our post. So we deleted it, we blocked them, we got around it, thank God. But we will not be sending you any comments or any messages to jump on any links, nothing, no credit card details, nothing like that. Yeah. So just keep in mind, we will not be sending.
When we draw your name out, send us a direct message. We will be calling out people's YouTube's username. So send us a direct message. If we don't hear from you after a while, we will try and find you. But if you reach out to us, that'll be the cleanest way that we make sure it's talking to the right people.
All right. Vinny, Ram, good to see you. Nicole, cheers for jumping on.
Let's do
Michaela
this,
Rathis, cheers for jumping on. All right, let's do this. So third prize first. I'll hold it.
You hold it.
Yep. Don't look. No peeking.
Give them a good mix. Let's go. Third prize is going to be for...
Oh, I'm nervous.
Got one. Third prize is for T. Taylor Hall.
Well done.
Well done.
the hammock and the picnic rug for Taylor Hall.
Send us a direct message on any of our socials. We'll get in touch and we'll find out where you want it shipped to and we'll sort that out. So, second prize, the Camp Oven Yeti Gear fishing lures. Let's see who wins this. Alright. Got one.
Go on.
Right, second prize is Haley Mark 6098.
Woohoo! Well done, guys. That is the Yeti Gear camp oven and the fishing lures. So I hope you love camping.
If either of these guys so far are on the call, definitely put a comment in. Congratulate yourself. All right. Who wants to win first prize? Who wants to go
I
for
want
the
first
jumper?
prize.
That would be. Oh, I better not. We better.
Wait, put
someone's
that back
falling
in.
out.
All right, first prize is coming out now, guys. Woo.
All right. First prize is Bree X Baby.
You, GoPro and our jumper merch.
Alrighty, well done to everyone that's with it. Oh, someone's on.
I believe that's me. I am Haley Mark. Oh, beautiful.
Well done.
Good
work.
Alright, so
That's
you
awesome.
guys got second prize. So make sure if you're on the live or if you're catching the replay, please send us a direct message on Facebook. If your name has popped up, third, second, or first prize, and we'll be in touch to get the details to where to send your prizes to. But congratulations to everyone. So we've got, let's just recap, T. Taylor Hall,
For third
Haley
prize.
Mark.
Oh, Taylor Hall just jumped on. Well done,
Taylor Hall. You've got a third prize.
Well done.
So congratulations. And then for first prize, it was Bree X Baby. So if you're on the live or you're catching the replay, please send us a direct message and we'll be in touch.
And
so
definitely,
thank you,
definitely
everyone.
keep up to date with our socials and our YouTubes because we absolutely just enjoy doing this giveaway and sharing it with everyone. So we might be doing more in the future. So
Definitely.
stay subscribed to the channel. Keep up to date with our videos on there. We love sharing everything on there.
Yeah. So thank you so much for all the entries and for everyone getting amongst it. We do appreciate it.
And congratulations to the winners again.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. Cheers, guys.